1, 2, 3, funk it.
Hi, hello beautiful people of the world. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Caramel. How you doing? Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this look using my Charles palette. The next few videos are probably going to be using this palette because there's so many colors in it. I'm just yes. So be looking forward to that. So if you want to see how I got this look, please stay tuned. Let's get started. All right, I'm going to start off using this Ulta Beauty primer, poreless face primer. I don't know if it works. Like, I've used it before. Don't know if it works. I guess I can see something going on. Bro, my skin is going through right now. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows, and for that I'm just gonna use this ABH number 12 brush. And first I brush all my hairs up. I normally brush them down, but I want to see what they look like if I do them, you know, how models do their eyebrows. You know, they be brushing them up and making them all bushy and stuff. I'm just gonna use a brown eyeliner pencil. Oopsie. Make some hairs. I don't really know what I want to do for the eyes. I know I want to do something. Well, I want to do something simple because I'm doing another video today and I don't want the looks to clash with what I'm doing. So I need to prime my eyes. Oh, ooh. Oh, we're good. Okay, cool. Okay, I'm gonna start with the shade Code James. I think this brush has other product on it. Okay, I'm gonna dip into 10% off and hope for the freaking best. We're kind of just going in order here. Next one I'm gonna use is No Beans, and I'm gonna focus that on the outer corner. I'm just blending it and really building up that color. Now I'm gonna dip into the shade Tune. Pack that all up and through here. Face. I'm gonna go on to face makeup. I really want to use my ABH foundation stick, but yo, she's on her last leg, yo. We're doing it for the tube though. No, we're not. Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Coconut. Also gonna be using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Cafe 30. Great. I'm gonna take this NYX color correcting contour thingy and use the yellow shade Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 360 Mocha and use that to contour with, you know. So now I'm gonna use my Sacha Buttercup setting powder and just set Black Radiance contour kit and use this shade right here. A teeny bit of mascara. I'm gonna attempt to put on eyelashes, okay? But don't judge, because you know I'm not good at it, okay? I'm not used to this. We got the first one on. Okay. I'm getting better at this. Hello. Back into James palette. Into face again. Using that for highlight today. Got some lip balm. Oh snap. Now I'm taking this NK lipstick in the shade 305. I actually kind of want that to be a little bit darker. Oh, this is NK too. Lip pencil in the shade Cocoa. Matte liquid lipstick from Purr. It's called FBF. Not that in that at all. And I think we're good. These eyelashes still need some work though. I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and if you didn't, I'm so sorry. But if you did, be sure to give this video a like, you know, comment, nice thumbs up, because be sure to follow me on my Instagram. It'll be linked down below, unless of course I forget, in which case it won't be, and I tend to forget a lot. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you next time. Ciao.
1, 2, 3, funk it.